So I also wanted to walk you through some of the key elements of the new aligned experience we are delivering. And I want to emphasize that this is the new experience we are developing. We make it available gradually, step by step. And we will speak with all of you individually about like when this would become timely for you, how to get there. But until that, you can safely continue using what you use today. But let's look at the new experience, because we are very excited on all the feedback we have been receiving so far. So for Procure to Pay, the starting point is the purchasing experience. We are renewing this also gradually, and here's the upcoming new landing page that anyone in the organization would end up when they log into the solution. We are making it very intuitive for the user, so that they can start purchasing from different types of content, from vendors' site through a punch-out integration, or using the catalogs that procurement department has uploaded. The users can also see their key approval tasks right away here in the landing page, because in Procure to Pay process, it is crucial that any approval is done very rapidly. Let's move to the next one. So the users can also use the new search engine and algorithm to find what they are looking for. We are designing this new experience to be in line with what you would see in consumer web shops, like the ability to filter the results with multiple different criteria, based on category, price, vendor, and so on. And then the user can add the selected items to comparison, or eventually put them to a shopping basket, and then send the basket to an approval process as a purchase requisition. And then when you have your basket collected, you want to buy it. So the next step in the process would be the approval. So let's move to the next slide. And we know that companies have many different ways to approve different goods and services, as well as invoices and payments and any financial documents. And this being the case, we are also going to renew the approval experience. So first of all, we are adding more self-service configurability there. So the admin users can set the approval rules with a user interface that is easily understandable and allows quite a bit of flexibility in the process configuration. So you can set different approval policies and then define how they are used for purchases in different categories, and in which priority order. And then for the end user, this will show as a simple approval tool that allows you to approve any transaction or document from that single list view, whether they are purchase requests, invoices, expense claims, anything. It can all be approved from the same list view, or the user can drill into details. So this all will improve both the end user experience as well as the ability to manage those approval rules by yourself. And then if you move to the next one, so when you have approved your purchase requisition and the related invoice, you obviously want to pay it. And again, with seamlessly integrated paying experience, you can handle the payment review and sending of the payment for the actual processing, after which we will then ensure that the vendor is getting paid with the best payment method for them and the best method for you. So you will be able to see the status of your payments. And the great thing here is that we are not only keeping our Procure to Pay solution fully up to date on the status of payment, but we're also doing the reconciliation automatically to your ERP. And I think that is a huge value add too. So your PairSoft's solution and your ERP are all the time up to date automatically when it comes to payables. And then eventually, I think the most important part is the analytics. So let's jump to the next one. So with this full end-to-end visibility, you can analyze how to further improve the process, how to manage your spend and cash better, and most importantly, also use the data in predictive manner to help in the decision making. We are very proud of the ability to also benchmark your process performance with the peers in PairSoft community, which allows you to set targets high and become better in what you do.